Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring how I made this beautiful, delicious, nutritious fruits and vegetable juice. So if you want to know how, then please keep watching. The first vegetable is the beet, and it's really nutritious. When I was pregnant, I was anemic. Beet juice is one of the juices I consumed during pregnancy because the green juices made me always have diarrhea. When I mean the green juices, I mean the spinach or the kale juices. Be sure to do your research to know which of the juices is best for you. Beets are very high in iron, chlorine, iodine, manganese, potassium, and vitamin A and C. They are very, very good. If you are anemic, I suggest you try this juice, but be sure to do your own research before you try them. Apples are great. They are rich in soluble fiber and they help to flush out bad cholesterol levels from the body. And carrots are one of my favorite vegetables. They are a great source of vitamin A, B, and C, as well as iron, calcium, potassium, and sodium. And they also contain beta carotene, which converts into vitamin A, which is great for vision and eye health, and also the skin and mucous membranes. And ginger, I'm going to be adding, is great for detoxing, which helps with healthy digestion of the body. This. First, I'm going to just test it to see how much water I need to add. The color is so pretty. It tastes good. It's sweet actually. I don't want to over dilute this, but I'm going to add a little more. The benefits of beet juice is it helps lower blood pressure and also improve blood flow. Next juice I'm going to be making is the pineapple and cucumber juice. And pineapples are a great source of iron, potassium, and vitamin C. They also contain bromelain and other anti-inflammatory compounds which help to promote joint health. And cucumbers are a great source of potassium and phytosterols, which helps to lower cholesterol. They're also a good source of B vitamins and they help to control blood pressure. I'm also going to be adding celery, which is a low-calorie food. It helps to strengthen bones and joints. It's a great source of important antioxidant. It also supports digestion and many more. Actually, one of my goals this year is to consume fruits and vegetables every week because I've been bad at it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not a fruit eater, but I've made it a point of duty because when I was pregnant, I really needed most of this juice and like I needed all the good things for myself and my baby, and that's when I got into juicing. So if you're not into juicing, I highly recommend you get into it. You would not regret it. Next juice here I'm going to be making is the pomegranate juice. Pomegranates have anti-inflammatory effects and can protect the body from various diseases like type 2 diabetes. It also helps to fight prostate cancer. It contains antiviral and antibacterial properties. It helps to boost memory and cognitive performance, and it also supports healthy blood pressure levels and many more. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C. Pomegranates are actually sweet. I like them. This is one of my favorite fruits. I'm also going to be adding watermelon to this juice, and watermelon are naturally sweet. I got the seedless ones. Watermelon has a high water content, which makes it great for juice. And watermelon helps you stay hydrated. They are packed with nutrients that are beneficial for the body. It may help to reduce inflammation as well as improve heart health and more. Next up, I'll be making is the strawberry and the raspberry juice. Strawberries and raspberries, they are very high in vitamin C and folic acid, as well as fiber and antioxidants, and it may help to lower high blood pressure, cholesterol, and manage blood sugar, and many more. Next, I'm going to be adding lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C. They support heart health. They help control weight, prevent kidney stones. It also helps reduce cancer, improve digestive health, and more. Celery and spinach juice is known to reduce high blood pressure. I'm not hypertensive, but I love the taste of this green juice. It tastes so good and it's very beneficial for the body. So I just thought to add kale to it just to increase the liquid content of the juice, and also I was concerned about the taste as well, and I went ahead to add one lime just to give it that kick, and the juice really tastes good. This is actually my favorite. One of the benefits of celery and spinach juice is it supports heart health, digestion, and immunity. And the pineapple juice, as well as the watermelon juice, is my husband's favorite, but he loves the pineapple juice. That is the one juice that he keeps requesting for every week. So you all know I just had a baby recently, and I have the mommy pouch. I'm not gonna lie about it. I thought to try the pineapple and cinnamon tea. It's been known to help reduce belly fat, so I'm gonna let y'all know if this works for me or not. But I just thought to include this clip because I didn't want to throw away the pineapple peels. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to let me know which of the juices you would like to try. This juices actually last I and my husband for a week. And talk to y'all later. Bye.